So there are certain things that you can say that will automatically make you less attractive, like if you're rude to a waiter or server, if you say something ignorant or insensitive, a racial slur, if you use a lot of filler words like like, not sexy. Also, if you're cursing or using profanity all the time, you automatically will be viewed as less attractive than you may or may not be. But on the flip side, there are certain things that you can say that will actually raise your attraction level. I'm talking from like a 6 to a 13.8. The beautiful thing, guys, is that you can say it to somebody, but you can also use them as text messages. Psychological, gentlemen, all these compliments literally are like psychological little tricks. Now, I'm not saying that they're manipulating, but they definitely will manipulate the person into viewing you as more attractive. Starting with number 1, which is I appreciate you. A lot of people struggle with feeling like they're not appreciated, right? Whether or not it's a wife, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a coworker, a friend, a parent. But if you actually go out of your way to let them know, I appreciate you, it's incredibly powerful. It also is going to make them think you're sexy as hell. Number 2 is I admire you. Whether or not you send it as a text or you just tell somebody, I just want to let you know I admire you so much. And they're going to be like, me? Really? Why? And then you got to make up something or tell them why you actually do admire them. They're a great husband, a great mother, a great coworker, they're super smart, whatever, right? You got to just let them know, hey, I admire you. It's powerful, and they automatically are going to want to, they're going to want to be your friend, because that, honestly, a lot of times is better than anything. The third thing that I want to talk about is you are beautiful in terms of a person. I just want you to know that. Now, why is this so powerful? Because a lot of people have been told, like, hey, I'm beautiful, you're hot. Like, and if it's a woman, right, they've gone through their whole life being told, oh, you're so pretty, you're all sexy and all that. But as a person, beautiful as a person, this is something that's different. This is something that basically is taking their spirit, their soul, their personality into account, and this is something that's incredibly powerful and attractive. You've got great energy. Another one, powerful, because energy, right? That's basically the je ne sais quoi. That's something special you can't necessarily put your finger on, right? When somebody has good energy, it means that they're infectious, right? They're happy, they're positive, they're radiating amazingness, gentlemen, and this automatically is going to make them appreciate you and think you are radiating amazingness. Regardless of what happens, I'm there for you. All right, this one, whoa, because think about it, right? How many times have we felt down? How many times have things been like going bad and there's that one person that's there for you, right? A lot of times when the shit hits the fan, people that scatter, they're not your real friends. But when somebody is talking to you and gives you something like, hey, this might happen, or I'm going through a tough time, you letting them know, I will be there for you, regardless of what happens. This is letting them know, yo, you're ride or die and you're a friend. You're such a strong person. Oh, gentlemen, I'm telling you, you compliment any woman on, you're such a strong person. Guess what? You're getting action. You compliment a friend saying, you're such a strong person. Boom. They're going to help you move if you need them. And everybody hates helping other people move. When you compliment somebody's mental toughness or strength, this is something that's way more powerful than, oh, you got a nice butt, or, wow, I like your car. Because this is going deep, right? It's going deep to their character, their mental toughness, their ability to adapt and adjust. And this is something that is undeniably attractive. I'm so proud of you. Really? Really? What are you proud of? What did I do? And then you make something up. Gentlemen, I'm telling you, it's powerful stuff. Something else that you can tell them is, I think you smell amazing. Really? You think I smell amazing? Boom, it's Rebel. No big deal. Actually, it is a big deal when you get a compliment. I just got an email the other day, which actually made me kind of think about this video. A guy sent this long email about, hey, I bought Rebel, and the amount of compliments I've been getting is insane. It makes me feel so good. It makes me feel more confident. Every time I spray it on, I feel great about myself. I feel more attractive. And I was like, yo, this is incredibly powerful. Gentlemen, if you are ready to take your scent game to the next level, I've got a deal for you that you can't miss. Right now, for a limited time, guys, I'm going to give you whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. Whether or not it's Rebel, it's King, it's Legend, it's Hero, or it's Villain, you get to choose whichever one you want, but you also are going to get 2 additional things for free. You're going to get the natural deodorant, which is called Fresh. This stuff is amazing. It's not going to jack up your endocrine system and ruin your testosterone level. It also smells incredible, like eucalyptus spearmint, and like I said, it's natural. Stop rubbing toxic chemicals underneath your armpits. And then, because I want your balls to smell as fresh as mine, I'm also going to throw in the fresh powder. This powder is next level. It's talc free. It's also going to absorb wetness. It's going to make you smell incredible. $50. That's it. You're literally saving like $38 right now for a limited time and while supplies last. Like I said, for those of you who want to hit that special link, you can only get it through that link. You're going to get to choose whichever fragrance you want. And you're also getting these two products absolutely free. Guys, it's a crazy deal and it's not going to last. So if you're interested in smelling amazing and getting compliments, I want you to hit that link down below. If I were going to recommend one fragrance, guys, I would definitely recommend Rebel because it was the first fragrance we developed. It was inspired by Creed Aventus. It's not a clone or a copy, but it is heavily inspired by Creed Aventus. If you love this, you're going to love this because this is $450 a bottle and this is $50. Plus, your balls and your pits are going to smell amazing. Link below. Do not wait. I'm telling you, don't email me. Don't wait. And for those of you who actually hit the link, I just want you to know I really admire your ambition and your drive, which is the next thing, which is automatically going to make somebody think you're more attractive than you actually are. Because when you actually acknowledge or identify that somebody is ambitious or they've got drive, it makes them feel good because they feel like all the work hasn't gone in vain. All right, so the next time somebody tells you something, confides in you, tells you something they're dealing with, whether or not it's your crush, somebody that you like, or it's a mom, a dad, a weird Uncle Barry, or a coworker situation, or a friend. Ready? Next level attraction, you say this. Say, I totally understand how you're feeling and I'm sorry you're having to deal with this. All right, right there. Two things. One shows empathy. You empathize with somebody. People like to be empathized with. And then sympathy. You are saying you're sorry, they're dealing with it. Two things, powerful, do it. Honestly, I think you're amazing, but I really feel like we should just be friends. Right there, gentlemen. If somebody likes you and they basically express interest and you're like, yo, I'm not feeling it, say that. It lessens the blow. If somebody says that and you want to lead them on and just be like, no, not me, right? Say that. Because automatically, even if you do want to be with them, it's going to send the subliminal message to them that you're better than them or you're not interested in them, which is going to drive them crazy and automatically make you more, I'm talking extra attractive. No, say no to somebody. Say no to somebody that's asking you for something. Say no to somebody who's trying to get you to do something that you don't want to do. Say no to somebody that's trying to get you to self-destruct. Say no to somebody who doesn't have your best interest in mind. Saying no is one of the most powerful things you can do, but it takes practice, it takes work. All right, the truth is, if you don't have the ability to say no, you might as well just bend over because life gonna be giving you the business. And I'm not talking about the good kind. I'm talking about the who's your daddy bad kind. I just want you to know how much I respect you. Woo! I'm talking psychological. It's like you're digging into their brain and like pressing a button. Automatically, gentlemen, I'm telling you, it's over. They love you. They like you because we love and like people that we feel respect us. When you go out of your way to let somebody know, because that's a thing. And something else I just want to point out with this video is that a lot of times these things go like unsaid. But when you stop your busy life, because we're all busy, and actually take the time to let somebody know these things, it's automatically going to make them not only view you as more attractive, it's going to make them feel incredible. Guys, it's time to stop once in a while and let the people that you love, the people that you like, the people that you just want to be friends with, let them know how you feel. And by doing this, it's not only going to make you feel great because you feel good when you give somebody a compliment, it also is going to make them feel good. And I personally feel like we could all use the feel good a little bit more. Gentlemen, speaking of good, I love you. I think you're amazing. And the last thing I'd like to say is I am so grateful that you are in my life. And that's the last one I want to leave you with. All right, saying that to somebody is powerful. But for me, telling you, it's the truth.